Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. I dedicate my life to the holistic way of living thanks to my father who is following more than 30 years already holistic lifestyle. Thank you to the teachers that I have been grateful to get a knowledge from them overseas, in person, offline, and to my life experience that set me to be a professional model, a professional swimmer, and also being an expat and settling down my life in 5 different countries. So I know how to get to the spot of sweetness, to be confident with you, who you are. And it's not only about the way how do you appeal, do you have a 6 apps or you do not have a 6 apps. It's absolutely irrelevant, right? Or maybe you would agree, but I would advocate that this is a state when you feel at peace with who you are, what you are as a person have in your life, what is your value system, how do you look at the food, at other people, at your mindset, how do you nourish your body. And it's not about prioritizing, medical care or prioritizing only a herbalism, but it's about a wisdom that you understand your body, because your body is a unique machine. Yes, it is a machine, but you need to know how to treat your body in order to enjoy your life every single moment. Because if you have a pain in your neck, if your spine is hurting, if you have indigestion, bloating, you wouldn't be able to maximize your experience in life. You wouldn't be able to maximize your orgasm experience, because all your thoughts would be about your uncomfortable feelings in your body, right? So what to do and how to reach this out? Again, I'm reminding you that I do one-on-one bespoke programs with my clients. I still have an available slots, which is a sweet news that you can participate and transform your life. It's no matter to start from Monday or from 1st January, because it just takes from you this beautiful slogan like Nike have, just do it, because there is no better day as today. Why to have this holistic lifestyle? Because it elevates your life in all levels. If you have a healthy habits, if you prioritize your sleeping, if you prioritize what you eat, again, it's not about diet and calculate how many calories I consume, how much fat I have, because this kind of people who are going to the gym on a regular basis and eating by the hour, the chicken breast and keto diet, etc., your whole mind, your whole life, it goes around food, food, food. And there is occasionally happening your family, occasionally happening something else in your life, your work experience, etc. But it's not that you are land and your son, like let's say in a geography, that there is a land goes across the sun. Your food, it's not your sun. The life experience itself, you is your sun. You, your wants, your needs. And if you want to have a chocolate cake, you cannot just suppress yourself that you are on a diet, because one beautiful day, believe me, you would break the rule and you would have even more. But again, it's about a beauty to be curious, to know how do I able and willing to make this chocolate cake to maximize the benefits for myself. That it's not having maybe white flour, it have almonds, it have a lot of nuts, it have not even flour. What I love to use, I love to use oats. You would disagree with me because it's gluten, but it's not that you eat one cake still in one sit. It's about understanding the root of the eating habits, because 99.9% it is an emotional trigger that happen in your life, and then you go to the kitchen to binge it, or you would smoke, or you would smoke weed, or you would drink alcohol. So there is always the cause to find why you're being triggered and resolve this, because you cannot sit on diet and unresolve your emotional triggers. That's why it's so important to do with the expert, because do it by yourself, you may go crazy a bit, you may go a bit even schizophrenia. It is challenging. It is so challenging to go down, to be break into the pieces almost, and again roll up again by yourself, because maybe in your environment there is no one who follows this healthy lifestyle. You haven't yet met the person whom you want to follow as your role model. So your expert is a beautiful person who can guide you. I would love to be your expert to guide you in the life where it's so easy to eat and enjoy your food, to wake up easy without alarm, to enjoy your workout, not because you must burn calories, but because you know that your body is so grateful for this exercise, for these stretches with just your own body weight, without any lifting, without any booty exercise on a daily basis, because you need to have this shape. And without this extreme cooking routines for 5 times a day or 3 times a day, this is so everything simple to understand your own body needs. Again, with the timing, with your age, with your hormonal balance, the needs are changing. But when you at home with yourself, you understand this. You have an instruments to deal with your anxiety, with your triggers, with your preference in routine to exercise, in routine to nourish yourself, in routine to take care of yourself. But how to do it? It all takes time. You cannot do it all in one day and have a beautiful body, be at peace, be healed. It's a continuous journey, and it's a honest statement, which is a lot of people do not announce. They say that, you come to the training, you train with me for a few months, for 1 month, for a few weeks, and then you are free. You are having a beautiful body. No, this is a habit. This is a continuous growing that you may like or dislike sometimes, but it's for you to understand the long-term results, that you would be nourished. You work for yourself, for your body, for your longevity, for your happiness, for your wisdom, for a health of your partner, of your kids. And when you, as a woman, neglect the factors for the mental health, neglect the factors to prioritize your health, your physical health, your hormonal balance, you dysfunction your entire family, because there is your kids watching you out, because they are like these small monkeys. They look, what's mommy doing? And if you are not light, not joyful, not happy, they have a broken idea about the healthy woman that you are for them as a superwoman, the ideal woman in this world. So it's not only to be like kind of robotic and show the perfect picture for everyone, but it's about understanding your own needs. Because again, when you prioritize yourself, when you love yourself, when you nourish yourself, you do not need to be egoistic, egocentric. You just know that you prioritize yourself, and the other people, they can read it, they can sense it, they can smell it, and they can understand that you are on this beautiful path when you multiply the love and joy in your life for others and for yourself. This comes to the exercise, to the eating habits, to your mental health, to the rituals that you take care of your body, of your beautification, of shopping choices, of destinations that you want to visit. This is all come together as a holistic lifestyle. And for you to understand that you can heal yourself, no matter what disease you have, you can heal yourself with the power of holistic lifestyle. You do not need to go to the pharma industry. You do not need to go to the hospital. You just need to understand the cause, what's happened down there that caused you this pain, this disease, this tumor, this cancer, and you would able to heal. And it's not about that you realize one day, this is because of this situation I have, this is because of this abscess I have. No, it takes time, it takes a genuine and vulnerable effort, and it takes the guidance. So again, in every single video, I'm not tired to repeat that I'm here dedicating my life to transform life for other women. I have a goal to transform a life of 1 million women across the world. That's why I choose to do online coaching, to be able to reach more women around the world. And I'm extending you my hand of guidance, of expertise to transform your life and be your best, beautiful, sexy, confident woman in your life, to be this flower. No matter what is your age, you can flourish at any age. So do not wait any further. Book your free consultation call right now, in this moment, in this second, and we will take from there. Thank you. See you.